大丈夫。僕最強だから。
Hey guys, how are you all doing? I know it's been so long since I posted a video and you all were waiting for some content, but believe me, I tried to post content, but sometimes work was too much and sometimes my gaming content was taking more time. I'm really sorry for that. But from now on, I'll post content weekly and I've also planned a live stream and Q&A. So make sure to be there. And one more thing, thank you for 6k subscribers. I'm so grateful to have you guys as a family. I mean, you all were supporting me when I was not even posting a video, right? So for you guys, I have planned one giveaway which will be held soon. But for now, I'm back and let's set your new home screen. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post an amazing video. With that being said, let's roll the intro. To make this amazing home screen, go to the description and download all the files and applications. Once you are set, open the file explorer that you have and go to the directory where you have downloaded your files. Now whenever you see these files, you have two wallpapers, okay? First one is for the modern devices that we have. For the old devices, they can use the second wallpaper, okay? So let me set the first wallpaper. So for me, in the Realme devices, they have made some issue where whenever we set the wallpaper, it will be zoomed in little bit like this, okay? So they have like 30, as you can see here, right? It is zoomed in a little bit. So for you guys, it will not be the issue. If you have this issue, then make sure to follow the same step which I am doing whenever you are making changes in widgets, okay? Now let's restore the Noah backup. So I know you guys can restore it by yourself, but just to let you know, I'm using Noah 7 and I have already given the link in the description if you want to download that. It has some good features and it is latest version, so it is in beta, but yes, it is a good version to have and use. So yeah, you can use it, okay? You can download, use it, else you can use Noah 6 as well. Now in Noah 7 settings, go to the backup and restore, click on the restore backup, and over here you need to go to the files here, okay? And in this one you will find Jujutsu Kaisen TWN Bnls, okay? That's the first file. Now over at the current layout, click on OK. That's the only thing. Once it is set, you will see this kind of a screen with icons and two widgets, okay? That's all. Now all things comes to the widgets. If you have a KWGT Pro key, okay, I mean if you have already, then you don't need to follow these steps. You can just go to the last section where I have uploaded all the widgets and you can continue from there only, right? I have given the timestamp over here. You can just jump to that section. Now for the users who don't have KWGT Pro key, please follow these steps and set the widgets, okay? Now first of all, we will set widget 2 over here. Now click on the create. Now in the create, you need to add one text, and in that text you need to set August, okay? So for the August, you need to go to date format, and in that you will find a current month name, okay? Select it, type it, done. Now in the font, you need to select Tommy extra bold font. If you don't know how to add a new font in KWGT, then I have already created one video. You can check out this video in the cards. It must be somewhere on the right top, okay? You can check it out and add the fonts and watch from here only, right? Now once font is set, go to the size and select 160, okay? And in the align, click on center. Once that is done, go to filter and change it to uppercase, so it will give some good look. Okay, now in the color, that must be white, you need to change it to little bit lighter color. So over here you can just change 3C, so it will be kind of bit transparent. Okay, so as you can see, it is transparent, so whenever you see the center text, it will be popping up. Okay, now go back, now add one shape over here, and in that shape change the shape to rectangle, and the width will be 660. Okay, and the height will be 442. Okay, so it is giving a cool look, but one more thing that we'll need to do, go to the paint and change the filter to clear, which will clear the center portion of this August area as well. Okay, and change the position to center only. Now once save it, go back. Now over here in the main root, you need to add one text again, and in that text you need to add hyphen, go to date format, here is a Saturday, hyphen, and another thing is the day of the month, that's 14. Done. Okay, now in the font you need to set medium, made Tommy medium, and in this type you need to set fixed width. Okay, this third one, fixed width, that will give you three more options: width, line, max line, and size. So just set 600 in width, max line will be 1 only, and size will be 50. Okay, it's done. Now in align you need to set center, because if it is in center, that will give you a good look. Now in filter, change it to uppercase. Oh, that's it. Now just make sure it is all the things are in center. Done. Now go to root section, over here root, and in the touch, delete this touch action and click on the save. So your first widget is set, right? Now second widget is set. Now you need to set the first widget. Now in this widget, there are some things which you need to check for your device only. Okay, so whenever I say check for your device, okay, then you just click on the save and go to your home screen and check whether it is perfect for your device or not. Okay, just make sure to do that. Right, let's start to set this wallpaper, set this widget. Click on the plus, click on the overlap group. Now in this one we will add some title and artist name for the music player. So let's click on this to give text. In this one, in the text we will go to music info and change it to title. Okay, a nice walk is the name, that's nice. Medium will be the font. Okay, made Tommy medium. Now in the font type, it will be the fixed width. Okay, and in the width it will be 425. Right, max line will be 1 only, and the size will be 21. Now in the align, it's the left only, don't change it. In the filter, change it to uppercase. Now it's looking great. Now go to color and make sure it is white only. Okay, now in the position, it is center, so don't need to change it. Center left you can do it, but we will make changes in this layer also, so no worries. Okay, now once that is done, click on this text, copy and paste it once again, and in the second one, change the title to artist. Okay, or what you can do, just select this all and delete it, go to music info and just click on the artist. Okay, click on the OK, and you will see that the artist name is over there. Right, what you need to do now, just go to the width, change it to 300. Okay, max line will be 1, and over here you can just decrease the size and all the things. Now in the paint, okay, in the color, you need to make it little bit light, that means half transparent. So I'll set it to 80. Okay, now as you can see, it is lighter. Right, once the color is set, go to position and change the anchor to center left. Okay, now you can see that the both things are on same line. Now click on the T padding and change the value to 45. Okay, perfect. Now go back, and in this one go to the position and change the anchor, as you can see, right, overlap group, position and center to center left, and in this X offset change it to 40 and Y offset -40. Now you can go to touch and add one more action over here for music control and open player. Then click on the save, so the progress is saved. Now on the home page you need to add icons. Okay, so for that you need to add one stack group. Okay, and in that stack group you need to add one overlap group. So we have one overlap group, go inside and add one shape. Now in this shape change the width to 60, let it be a square. Okay, and in the paint make it fully transparent, or you can say opacity 0. Okay, now once that is done, go back, click on the plus on top and select font icon. Now in this font icon, in this set change it to N-typo, and in the icon find jump, right, jump, that is set. Now in the size set it to 30. Okay, now it is set. Go back, and in this OG group click on the touch, click on the plus, click on the single action, and in the music control click on the previous. Okay, over here, so it will call the previous action, right, it will call the previous music. Now go back, copy this overlap group and paste it again. Okay, now go to the font icon, change the icon change the icon value to this kind of icon you have there on top, which will be the formula. Okay, so I have given the formula on your screen, so just copy and paste it. So let me just type it over here for you guys. So the formula is set. Now click on the OK, so you will see that it is now the play icon, because it is not playing currently. Okay, so it is giving us the play symbol. Now everything else is set over here, we don't need to make anything right now. But in this overlap group, in the touch, we need to change the action to play or pause, because whenever we want to call something like play the music or pause the music, we need this touch action, right? Now copy this first overlap group and paste it again, jump start, change this to next. Okay, jump next. Now go back, same thing, click on the touch, previous, and change it to next. Okay, all the things are set over here, but in the stack group over here you can see the stack group. In the layer you need to change the stacking to horizontal center. Okay, so once it is set, click on the margin, change the margin to 15 and change the scale to 70. Done. Now in the position you need to set this anchor to center right and the X offset to 30 and Y offset to -35, or I can just write it, right, -35. So as you can see, if you want to make it 30, then also it is fine, we can set it 30 as well. Okay, so let's set it 30 and click on the save. So now if you see, it is looking great already, right? But let's go and edit something else as well. Now we need to add one visualizer over here, okay, for our music playtime and all. So let's create one overlap group. Okay, let's go inside, let's create one more overlap group, and inside that we will create one more overlap group. Okay, now let's rename these overlap groups, so you can just keep this in mind where you need to make changes. Okay, first overlap group, change it to widget. Second overlap group, change it to equal or something like that. Okay, whatever you want to give a name. Now in this third overlap group you don't need to give any name because you are already inside that, right? Now go in overlap group, we need to add one we can say shape, to add one image, Now change the image to shape to rectangle, and the width of this will be 350. Right, now size will be 60, and once this is done, go to FX. In the texture, set it to bitmap, and in that bitmap you need to pick the image that I have given, which is Thunder W1 Jujutsu Kaisen. Okay, now image is set. Only thing you need to do is go back and click on the plus on top. Now click add the progress over here so we can sync that with our image. Now click on the progress, change the progress type to music playtime, and go to the colors. Now in the colors, the background color will be something different, like I will set, wait, let me just delete this. Okay, so I have set it to DC. Okay, that will be kind of a grayish color, so you can see the difference between white and grays. Okay, so foreground will be white and the background will be this color. Now in the filter, you can set it to multiply. Now once you set it, you can already see the difference in this image, right? Okay, that's it. Now in the style, change the style to size to 350, and in the height, change it to 220. Then as you can see, it is completely overlapping our image, right? It is in the multiply mode, so you can get it better as well, right? Now go back. Now let me tell you what you need to do now. Okay, now this is set for this overlap group. Now go and find equal. Okay, go and find equal. In the layer, change the scale size to 230. Sorry. Okay, so this scale size is for my device. I'm again saying this scale size is for my device. You can use this for your device by decreasing. I guess your device will have 200, but yeah, check it and make sure it is perfect for your device. Okay, so how to check it, let me show you that as well. So whenever you see this kind of icon, okay, whenever you open it, it will align like this only, right? So you can see it is perfectly matching. So that's the only thing you need to do, right? Nothing else. Okay, now back to the editing section. Now go to the widget, and in this one, change the layer position over here. Okay, the layer position to little bit down, like this, like 60 you can set, no worries, and click on save. Okay, now over here, whenever you see this, okay, it is bit upside. Okay, so what we need to do, go back, select all these three things and click over here, batch edit, and in the Y offset make changes like this, like 20. Is 20 enough? No. Yes, 24 is good. Okay, so what we need to do now, in the widget, make changes in scale. Okay, make changes in scale like this. If you see anything comes up like over here in the offset, perfect, right? As you can see, it is perfectly synced with the background. So now whenever you will play the music, all right, as you can see, right, it is showing you the where exactly our music is right now. I mean, how much time it took, right? If you want to make changes in this one, like this or this, then go to the widget. Wait, let me pause the music. Okay, yeah, go to widget, go to equal, go to overlap group, and in progress, in the color, change the mode to gradient and make changes there only. Okay, so whenever you will change this color to red, then it will show kind of the red sync over there, right? So that's the only thing you need to change. Okay, if you want to make changes, then only. Except that you don't need to make change over there. And one more thing, once that is set, make sure it is on the top. Okay, so anything else doesn't get colored with that thing, right? Let me set it to flat for me. Perfect. So the only thing you need to check is this alignment of this widget that we have over here, right? Just check it and set it for your device. That's the only thing you need to check. Now for these 5 icons, okay, we have to download Rev Pro Demo Icon Pack. As you can see, I'm sorry, Rev Pro Demo Icon Pack. Okay, so if you want to make change in these icons, then you can just download or drag and drop any icon, long press on it, my bad, and click on the icon, go to Rev Demo and click on any icon pack that you have. Or if you want to search, I mean file or something, file explorer file or something like this, then click on here, remove this, and damn, place it. That's it. Okay, yeah, there you have it, all set, and it looks amazing. Now if you have any question, then make sure you join to our Telegram group. There you can ask us questions for any queries that you have. We have our community over there who will give you solutions. I'll give you solutions, and we can share more information there as well, right? If you have any issue related to widgets or anything, you can share screenshots or videos. We can solve it better that way, right? And yeah, share your opinions in the comments if you have anything, any suggestions. I'll love to read it. Okay, I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to check any other setup, here is the playlist, go and check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, this is Nick signing off. Thanks for watching and stay creative.